Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with the very first video on the third car that I purchased for about $3,000. Today, we're gonna take a look at the very new to me, the very special, the very rare ML55. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Right, it looks like snow. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yep, this is it. The third car that I purchased when I had that epic 24-hour buying spree, which is epic in all kinds of weird ways. So that is the time that I got my Wonder Wagon number 2. I got the Cadillac Escalade number 1. And this is the car that hasn't even been on the channel just yet. This car is a 2003 ML55 AMG. And it is in great shape. I gotta tell you, this car is fantastic. So here she is. I have her parked far, far away from the other wagon, and you'll find out in a later video. But this is it. This is the ML55, the ever elusive AMG SUV from MB. Absolutely, I've been after one of these for so long, you can't even imagine. I've had the 320, I've had the 350, I've had the ML500, but this is my very first ML55 AMG. So this video is a walk around. We're going to show you what she's like, what you can actually get for, get this, $1,000 plus the $600 that the auction house added to the price of the car. So I got this car for $1,600 bucks, and I think it's $1,600 well spent. Lovely silver over black, and like most of these MLs do, this is just some weather stripping right here, and it comes off the bottom and it just kind of dangles around. So we're going to address that right there. But as far as damage on the outside, it's minimal, okay? Very minimal. Everything looks good. The reason it was at the auction is hail damage. And if you look at the hood right here, you can see we do have a little bit of cracking right there. I'm disappointed in that. I really am. But we have all kinds of hail dings, and on the silver paint, in person, you can see it. Now, if it weren't for these two bulges right here, and the grill I can replace, but if it weren't for these two bulges, I could get any silver ML hood and put it on, it would fit. But because these distinguish the ML55, I'm going to have to try to find a silver hood for this car. This is your headlight washer. The cap is missing. It's actually not missing, it's in the car, so we can reattach this very, very easily. Look at the fog lights. This is a special bumper as well, which look fantastic. These lights look awesome. I have a couple of hail dings right here. I haven't washed the car. The only thing I've done to this car is remove the sticker and drive it. Little damage right here on the paint, and there is some clear coat coming off right here. Nothing major. A couple of dings right here from the hail. And this is a General Grabber UHP. So General Grabber UHP tires. Lots and lots of tread on them right here. All 4 tires match. This is fantastic. Okay, in the back. Here we go. As you can see, I've been using the vehicle. I really have. I had to go get some parts for the Escalade, and this is what I used. I haven't done anything to it, okay? No washing, no cleaning, no nothing. I have WeatherTech, well, not even WeatherTech, better. We have the Mercedes all-weather floor mats. We have the spare right here, and yes, there's the spare. Some little safety equipment right there, And this looks fantastic. Okay, so I'm so happy there is a spare in there. A lot of people get rid of this because this does have a tendency to kind of rattle. All right, well, it just came off, so we'll leave it off. But the spare is flat. Well, we're gonna have to add that to our list of things. All right, you want to see the interior? Because it looks really, really nice. I'm missing a little piece right here. I love how the seats fold down. They're so easy. It's just this little pull piece right here, and they go right back up. Move your seat belt, put those into position, and they're locked. Look at the leather. The leather is in great shape. Nothing back here. This is a little stretched out. The carpets are good because we've had the floor mats over them. There's your door card, which looks fantastic. Now the good stuff. Driver's seat is showing a little wear right around here. This is easily fixed. This is the good leather, okay? So I can re-dye this and you'll never see it. I'll probably do the same to the passenger side right there. But I gotta show you what she sounds like when you start her up, and we'll take a look at the wood and everything. And of course, with the ML, you get these little cup holders that are so handy. They are fantastic. Stepping inside, we have white gauges with the AMG logo, 174,000 miles. That was the first time the car started in over a week because I've been on vacation. And it looks fantastic. I'll show you this problem right here. It's really not a problem. The wood here is a little bit faded. See how it's different than this one? What I'm thinking about doing, and you guys can help me with this, is what I would like to do is to like cover this with a carbon fiber look, just to kind of update all of this. I don't know what you think about that. I think it'd be really cool. This, like every single ML, these come out and just kind of bump around. Not a big deal. There you have your storage. Oh, they had some Nike sunglasses. Well, that's nice. And you get part of a phone. Yes, there it is. Except the battery. The battery part is missing. And what's this? Oh, I get a W. No, that's the M. Why does it have an A and an M but no G in the back there? That's weird. Okay, we'll close that up. This is proof that I've been driving it around. I've been charging my cell phone with it in the port right there, which is extra, which is fantastic. I love that about the ML. You get an extra charging point. This is your ashtray and your other cigarette lighter, but it doesn't want to come out. Well, true Mercedes quality right there. That does not want to come out. This works, but you can't hear it. This is a huge problem for these ML radios. Something goes wrong in them and they play so quietly. If you turn off everything on the car and just let the car sit there, you can kind of hear the music, but it just doesn't. It doesn't play loud enough. So I'm going to replace this with a nice stereo unit. There you have your glove box, which there's this little piece right here is kind of broken. So maybe the car is not in perfect condition like I mentioned. And like all MLs, the material on your A-pillars, it always goes. And people try to glue them and then they spray too much glue and you can see the glue. It happens in every single ML I have had. Every single ML. I love this. I just love this right here. The orange look is fantastic. 174,000 miles. We have a super cold AC system. And let's look at the engine. This is the beast. 100. Oh! What the hell was that? Oh, hell no. Did you see something move? Wait a minute, do I have mice in my ML? You gotta be kidding me. What was that? Oh, heck no. No, 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 no. If they are in there, it is not gonna be good for them. One was there, one was there. Great. Okay. Well, as you can see, we are full of coolant. So my coolant level sensor, I think, is bad. Also, my fan right here does not come on. I have the AC system on, which means the fan should be turning, and it's not doing anything. It's really not doing anything. So we have to address that. I've also purchased upper and lower radiator hoses because this to me is a little bit soft. But the engine itself, look how quiet. Look how steady it is. I have a Pro Series battery that I don't know when it was purchased. I really don't know, but look right there. It's quiet, it is smooth, and it is so happy. 300, I want to say 345 horsepower, 360 something pound-feet of torque. I'll put it right here on the screen for you. I do need to get these cleaned, which is very easy to do. I love it, I love it, I love it. I hate, if that was a mouse, I have to go back and look at the video, but we're gonna have some big problems. There you go. So the low coolant light went out. So maybe it's just if those were mice in there, and I haven't gone back to look yet, if those were mice, then we have some wiring problems, which would be fantastic. That would make me just so happy because I love tracing wire problems. So, what do you think about my purchase? I am in heaven with this car. $1,600 out the door for an ML, and the light just came back on. And it just went off. She's listening to me. She's listening to me right there. Okay. $1,600 out the door for a 2003 Mercedes ML with hail damage, so it's going to have a rebuilt title. 174,396 miles. I have a sticker, 178. So they just had the oil changed when this, oh, what does that say? That says 22. The sticker says 22. Well, maybe the car sat for a long time. Maybe that's why I have a mouse in the house. Maybe the car sat. I mean, this is September of 23, and the sticker says 11822, 178,521, 5W40. So either they got that date wrong, or this car has sat for a long time. I don't know. We're going to find out. Does the car run and drive? What's it like to drive an ML55? Is it as stiff as they say? Is it as powerful as they say? Is it as fun as they say? Well, we're going to find out in the next video. Yeah, so we're going to make this a complete video because I realized I haven't introduced you to the third purchase that I got that fateful day, and it was time to do so. So, you have to stay tuned. You like the ML55? Was it a good purchase? Did I overpay? What is it worth? That's a good question. What do you think an 03 very rare ML55 is worth? Let me know in the comments, folks. I read each and every one of them, okay? Thank you for watching. This is going to be a fun series as well. Absolutely. Woo! God is good. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for my ML. Okay? We'll see you again, folks, very, very soon. I'm going to go drive it. I'm going to go drive my ML and heat up the engine so much that the little mouse, the mices have to leave. Listen to this. Yeah. Mikey likes. Mikey likes.